Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, we're going to show you your wireless and third protection in managed by your organization fixed in Windows 10 or 11. So very easy guys. Firstly click on start, type here regulative REGET. After click on registry editor. After click on HiQ local machine. Click on and after guys click on software, click on policy and click on Microsoft and here the option guys Windows Defender. After here if you went to options, so right click and click on delete. After guys click on start and type here Windows Defender, click it. After click on right click and click on restart. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. If you went to your wireless and threat protection managed by your organization fixed in Windows 10 or 11. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Goodbye.